Hello everybody, if you have a 2015 Ford F-150 and you want to install the cold air intake, I'll just walk you through what needs to be done, and it's very simple. It does take a little bit of time, but it's not as complicated. So when you get a kit, you get a filter, clamps, the box, the hose like that, and of course a whole bunch of clamps. So you also get a seal right here. This is the one we need to measure from here to here, cut it and put it on. Same here to here. We're gonna cut it and put it on. So this is how your box should look like. The bottom one and the top one right there. The air filter side, we just have to put the funnel through the box and tighten it down with an Allen key. Remember, it's in plastic, so don't go too heavy on the torque side. Just enough. Perfect. So now you got yourself the box ready. Looks like that. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is take the filter out of the box and put it onto the filter housing. So filter comes with the clamp. You're just going to seat it on its position. The clamp in the center, not too far in or too far out. So once you got it ready, what you need to do is, you know how there's original filter box has these here? You have these on this filter box. Line them up, slide the filter in place like this, and lock it down. So get the hose clamp ready like that. So make sure the bolts are facing up, and you're going to install it back onto the throttle body. So you're just going to guide it on. Keep the clamps in a position that's not touching anything. So at this point, just do not tighten the first clamp right here. Line up your hose, the pipe, actual intake pipe. Go back, connect the other side of the clamp, and get that in position before you fully tighten the second clamp right here. You can see right here, mine is lining up just perfect. And over here, they give us a flexible silicone, actually rubber right here. The hose right here, so we're gonna install it in between like that. Got the hose back in there. And tighten it down. Remember, it's plastic. Do not go too crazy with tightening this up. Now, it's better to keep the bolts positioning the same way. Looks better, honestly, for an install. Looks better. Let's go back and tighten the clamp on the throttle body now. Okay. Make sure both clamps are tight. All right. Next thing we need to do is connect both of those lines right there. So one thing I could tell you is when you try to line this hose up and it doesn't work, do not try to stretch it. Instead, loosen that clamp, twist the pipe that way, and it will line up just fine. I'm just going to tighten all the clamps and come back. And this is what it takes to install a air intake into your Ford F-150. So you have to utilize the older box here. And the clamp, intake pipe, few of the C-clamps there. I think these are vacuum lines for the brake booster and so on. It's feeding a lot of vacuum there, so all that has to be connected. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.